I think I would distinguish between like risk tolerance that we have as a company and risk tolerance that we have like to put an experience in front of our customers. So like I'm comfortable taking a lot of risk, and I think like that's one of the benefits of a founder-led company.
Yeah.
But I don't want my customers to be taking any risk in using the product.
Right.
So, there's a couple ways that shows up. One, we're like rigorous in testing. So, there's been a lot of noise around AI products and standalone AI products in the legal space. And we have really focused on our flagship product in terms of the public narrative. We are in rigorous testing and have been for some time around standalone product.
Like a standalone AI native.
Yeah, exactly. But like you could say we've been slow to launch that. I would say we have a really high bar for what we're gonna put our name behind in the industry.